Hello friends, welcome to TechTuts. In the last video tutorial, we saw how to create batch script and execute it. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn to create our own virus. That is, in this tutorial, I am going to talk about Fogbomb virus, which is a virus which make system deprive of memory. That is, it consumes all the RAM and make the system to crash because system doesn't get required memory for the system operations, so it crashes down. So before executing this script, this is a very simple and 5 character script, but it will crash down your system. So before writing this script and executing it, first install any Windows OS in your virtual machine. That is, don't use your main host machine, use any virtual machine because it is going to crash down, but it is not going to make any permanent harm. So here is my virtual machine that is running Windows XP. So let's create a Fogbomb virus in this XP. So first open Notepad and let's type script for Fogbomb virus. Fogbomb is based on a simple concept, that is a single operation, that is a single file opens another file, that is there are two files, and two files open two files, that is 4 files, and this goes on continuously, that is it opens files recursively. So let's see, let's first label it as S. So I am labeling it as S and I am saying start %0, that is open this file and then go to S. That is, I am saying S is a label and I am saying start this file and go to S. That is, this file will open this file and this both file will again execute and they will individually open each file and they will again execute independently, and in this way they will recursively produce many files. So for the first iteration they will produce 2 files, but for the second iteration they will produce 4 files. But what if there are 100 iterations? So let's see what they will do. Calculator. So here is not okay. I have deleted my all Windows built-in apps, so there is no calculator. So let's see, 2 raised to 100. See here that it is 1.267 into 10 raised to 30. That many, that is 1.26, that is 1 and 30 zeros for only 100 iteration. In 100 iteration this will produce this many files, that is all the memory RAM will be consumed. So let's save this script on a desktop as hey.bat and save this. Now let's run this. See that it is continuously opening files and this will go on continuously. If we try to stop it, it won't stop. See here that I am trying to stop it, but this won't stop. Because it is continuously recursively creating another instance of itself, and at the end it is going to say that you are deprived of RAM. See here that and it will crash down. To make it more harmful, what we can do is that we can save this .bat file into a startup file. That is, when system will start, this file will be executed. So whenever a user will start his or her system, he will get this virus, and he will not be able to do any task or anything, and he has to shut down his PC forcefully. So see here that I can't do anything, but after some time it will say that you are deprived of memory. That is, it is running virtual machine, so it will say virtual machine is out of memory. So let's stop it. Here that the request to power off this virtual machine failed because the corresponding VMware tool script did not run successfully, because this is stopping it from shutdown. See here that I can't do anything, but it is not harmful, because once a system restarts, it again restarts normally. See that now I have forcefully shut down. This was a normal version of a fog bomb, that is looping. There is another version that is only of 5 character. So for that, first of all, I have to start virtual machine. It is of only 5 character, that is %0 or %0. That is, it says open this file and pipeline it to this file. That is, every time 2 instances of the same file is created, and this goes recursively as it goes in this file. Let's type second version of fog bomb and execute it. This was the first version, that is create a label and start this this file, open this file, and again go to start, that is again open this file, and this goes continuously. Now let's add another second version, that is %0, pipeline it to %0, and this will do the same job as of the last. See here, it is creating an instance of file. See here that it is out of storage. The process tried to, the process cannot. See here that it says virtual Windows virtual machine minimum too low. See here. Because virtual machine is deprived of memory because of this virus. So this was fog bomb. Now it's done. Let's shut down it. So this was all about fog bomb, and how this is very simple. just of 5 characters, so you can easily type open any notepad, open notepad and type this and save this. And if you want to harm anyone's laptop or computer, you just need to save it into startup. So where is startup, right? So for startup, open Explorer by tapping Windows by pressing Windows plus E or by going manually. Then local file, then program data and Microsoft, then Windows, and then start start menu, startup, start menu program, okay, start menu program and startup, save it here, and whenever system will start, this will execute this virus, and it will get deprived of memory and it will crash down eventually. So thank you so much for watching this video, and now enjoy creating a virus, but please don't use for this for any harmful purpose. Thank you so much.